There are so many tools inside of Revit that I feel that aren't shown or explained or used as much as they could be. In the last video, we showed you how to use the selection box tool to create rapid section boxes, which is so beneficial. And another one that I've used several times with great benefit is the ability to displace components or displace parts of the building for a specific view. This is particularly useful when you're working with modular or other types of buildings where you're wanting to see how something comes together or look at the different elements of a given view. It's really easy to do. We can do it in a 2D view or in a 3D view, and I'm going to show you both examples. If I go onto my level 1 floor plan, I'm just going to create a duplicate of this view. I'm going to rename this view level 1 displaced. And in that view, I'm going to go ahead and select some components. For example, I could select this entire lower section of the model here and select displace. I can displace this completely out of the way. Just turn off the crop view so we can see that entire model. From there, I can select individual elements if I wanted to. So if I go ahead and select individual elements such as this column, I can choose to displace this individually and move it out of the way. This displacement mode is only affecting that view. It doesn't affect the model. It doesn't affect anything else in the file at all. It's purely a view-specific displacement. If I start a new file here inside of Revit, maybe to go to a construction template and place a wall. What I'm going to do with that wall is I'm going to use a 3D view to create parts. When I create parts inside of my model, it will create individual components for each layer of this wall. So I have my brickwork, cavity, my blockwork, and my plasterboard, all as individual components. If I grab my levels, and maybe I'm going to hide those, I'm going to select the brick, displace, and move it out to the side. Select the cavity, displace, and move it. Select the block, displace, and move it. And we can create quite a nice little build-up view of a component or of a section or of a wall build-up or whatever it might be. You might just want to take the model and explode it into pieces to see the different areas and how it comes back together. But using this displace tool, we can create an individual view-based displaced model which might help you in the different view build-ups for planning, for approval, or for sign-off that you may need. Displacing components in Revit, view specific and very, very beneficial.